Hello everyone, welcome to Coder Corner. I'm your host Harish. So in this video, we are going to discuss about other data types. So we all know the most used data type is lists, and next comes dictionaries and sets and tuples. So these are the most used data types which we will be dealing in Python, and dictionaries are the next top priority next to the list, and then comes sets and tuples. So let's go into the video and check it. So let's come to first understanding what is a dict. So let us create a variable to store the given dictionary. So my car dict is something I'm planning to give. So a dict is actually opened with curly brackets. Let us detail have a two pairs like key and value. So whatever is, let us say like model is the name a key, and it should have some value. So let us say we will give a value, some value, what value, like R series. Before that we have to give a comma. In a sense it means it is a key value, it's done, and we'll go for the next key value again. We have declared a dictionary here. So how to access the given dictionary? So let me print the whole dictionary itself first. Let's see how this one looks like. So model, it's like the whole dictionary is getting printed. So what happens if I want to get the specific value of the given key? So we'll give the key data. So let us like I want give the model. So what we are expecting is R series. So R series. So we can fetch any value with the given key. So I can change the key as year. So we can get 2010. Yeah. So this is a different way of storing the data. Like where in lists we store with respect to a given index, but here we have a specific key value pair concept. In dictionaries we can go a next level. Let me show. But in this sales actually it's a set of data from different places. Let me consider. Then what will happen, I will give sales by different places, 20, 30, somewhere it was 10 cars, something, I'm not sure, like just I'm adding. So here what happens if I take the sales as the key? So the next one we'll be discussing is actually tuples. Tuples is similar to list, but the advantage of tuples is it doesn't allow any changes. While lists allow changes of elements. So let me show you. Okay. This is a tuple, and it does allow duplicates. So the given tuple, if you print it, how it looks like. Yes. So if I try to access it with the any index, let us say like I want to access with index 1, is it accessible? It's accessible. So what happens if I try to change the value of the given value? Let us say like for 1 equal to something called as 10. I'm trying to change it. I'm not sure what happens. Tuple doesn't support item assignment. You can see it already here itself. Even if we run it, we will face the same error. Type object does not support item assignment. They are not allowed to change the given values. That's a difference between tuple and a list. So let's come to the next one, which is a sets, which is a more stricter element than tuple, which does not allow the values to be changed, and it even doesn't allow duplicates. So in the given tuple, we have 2, 5, 6, 14 and 5. So 5 is repeated twice. So what happens, I convert this tuple into a set. So let us say like S is a set of that given tup, and we try to print this as. So you can see the values is 2, 5, 6, 14, and we don't have a 2 times of 5, and the other 5 is ignored. And the one more thing is the sets whatever the value we feed in the same order, it will be stored. It will not allow for any ordering, so it cannot be ordered. So tuple set is like literally it's a set, and it is actually denoted by curly brackets, similar to dictionary. So that's all for the understanding of different data types apart from list. So if you have any queries, please do comment in the comment section. Please do subscribe for more such videos.